All right, using the figure shown right here, we have to determine the value of 4 times a minus b. So basically what we have to do is first figure out the value of a and the value of b, and then plug those values into our expression right here. Now, if we take a look at this figure right here, we can see a right angle right here and right here. And we can see that this 90-degree angle is equally divided into 5 different angles. And each one of the angles is labeled a because they're going to represent the same number. So what we do first is we take 90 and we just divide that into 5 equal parts, and that is going to tell us what the value of a is, and that is going to be 18 degrees. Now we can see that this 90-degree angle is divided into 2 equal parts. So each one of these angle measures represented by b would be equal to 45 degrees. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our expression 4a minus b, and we're going to substitute 18 in for a, and we're going to substitute 45 in for b. Multiplying 4 by 18 gives us 72, and then we subtract 45 from 72, and that ends up giving us 27.